Start burning, burn everything.
Darkblade Army boat out here, man. Engage.
What are you engaging? Oh, never mind. Mixed up voices.
How long will this oil burn for?
About
it'll do.
3,000.
Yeah, it does like 3,000 or 4,000 damage.
Is it doing damage to the planks?
Watch out, Jaden.
Yeah,
I've got 2 on me.
backing up.
Alright,
We don't know where you are, Keith.
I'm gonna leave you here with these, Jaden. I'm gonna go to another boat.
Alright, he was on the Fury one or something. Pretty sure. No, but I don't get fucking head blasted off.
How is this guy not dying? I've hit him with 3 flame arrows.
Maybe they fixed it.
Boat. Damn, they got 2 guys just sitting here.
This ship's leaking, but they're probably gonna repair it.
Are they there?
I'm fighting 2 of them on this ship.
Are you on like a purple one or a regular one or?
It's somewhere on, if you're looking at them all from the way we came in, he was on the left. It was like the second one from the shoreline. I'm pretty sure. Pretty
It's
far
not
away
good.
from that pink
Fire
one
him,
that's sailing
someone.
away.
Slowly
There's a
getting-
There's a pink one sailing off right now.
Yeah, I lit this front on fire. You probably could see it.
Or kill all the cell people with like flame arrows or something.
I've got 3 of them on me.
Jump in the water, and I'll come help you.
Fuck no, I'm fighting.
Oh god, if you're gonna die again, then I'm gonna be upset.
2 planks down.
See all the fire arrows.
Why does it take so much to kill an NPC? Oh, someone's on my ship.
2 planks down, this ship's sinking.
Oh no, he's on fire.
Please don't let them repair, man.
I'm trying, dude. I've got 4 of them on me now.
Yeah,
I'm
they're
fighting.
spawning on this ship now.
Oh, the lag, the lag.
No. Fucking hate grappling hooks sometime.
Coming, Kane. There's a fucking manta ray right in front of me.
I've got 2 geared.
I think I killed the one that was after me, but
They sailed the purple
Oh, no.
stealth ship out.
One behind you on the backside. He looks like he's naked. Oh, he repaired.
I know, I'm trying, dude. So many of them.
That was my grappling hook. One just jumped in the water.
There's 6 of them here, dude.
I'm killing the ones on my ship. Holy fuck. What did he bring me?
Alright, that guy's dead. One dead, maybe 2 dead. One coming at you.
Just keep spawning and bringing me loot. They're like on every ship. It's crazy. Like ants everywhere.
Fuck me, I got on fire.
Oh. So,
Got one.
Oh god, you.
I'm out of flame arrows.
I'm fucking dehydrated.
Threw a grenade.
That got him. Oh, they're grappling back up?
That's me.
Okay.
I'm getting hit, I'm getting hit.
Here, move!
I need to drop shit, I'm heavy.
Fucking dehydrated. Do you have any water on him?
Woo!
Start sinking the front.
I hit another one with the sword.
Okay.
Oh god. How do I fucking you stupid game?
I need a resupply, I'm out of arrows.
I got half of my health because I got locked
I'm on
in that
fire.
stupid auto lock. Jump up the move. There's so many of them that keep spawning.
I gotta go somewhere and die, I think.
I need to go
Fucking
resupply.
I think I'm gonna die. I'm dehydrated. God. Just
Where's the hooligan?
Fighting boats.
Oh shit.
I'm beside you as long as you don't have an insane amount of shit on you.
I just killed this guy and he gave me 45 arrows. Thanks, guy.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm more to the left.
Alright, I'm about to die, Chris. Yes. I did have an explosive barrel on me.
Just keep following the harbor around.
You would, you son of a bitch.
I'm on a break. I got a bear on here.
Alright, I got all your shit.
Oh, Hooligans.
Oh, you on the white pearl?
No, the Inferno.
Oh, he's shooting me with the bow under the water. What the fuck? God, you can do that.
That brig is still sinking. They've not repaired the plank yet.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I lit it with another oil jar too.
He's gonna kill me with this fucking bow and arrow under the water.
Use your fast swimming speed, motherfucker.
I'm trying, but he's fast too. Now the mana ray's on me. My leg was broke already. Mana ray. I'm about to die.
No, Chris, no!
Mana ray's fucking killing me and him.
Oh my god.
Now he's getting all the shit.
Oh, fuck.
Well, it's 4 of us, so we all split up. You got everything?
I ran out of gear. I'm heading over to.
Go back outside, or like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but...
He's in the middle
I
of that
see you, Ryan. I'm
fucking blue
breaking beds
ocean.
and I'm coming.
Alright. I still got 49 arrows. I can give you some. Do you have any oil jars?
No, I'm out.
This plank's almost gone at 7.
I had like no health when we started doing it.
I got dehydrated so goddamn fast.
This guy was nice enough to put his ladder down for you.
There's a guy coming towards you.
We can never spawn on this ship. He might be over encumbered with all our crap. He's not dropping it all.
Okay, I'm climbing up the side now, Ryan.
That's twice I've died picking up your shit, you son of a bitch!
He's up here with me.
Okay, I'm here. Yeah, I'm with you, but I don't have anything.
He's on the bear.
Drop me something quick. Drop me something quick.
Alright, here. Dropping 16 fire arrows right in front of me. That back panel needs to be destroyed. Back left panel.
Yeah, my NPCs on my front cannons like glitched off of them, so they're floating off of my boat. So I can't.
So annoying.
Yeah, kill that fucking bear. Come up
There's
behind
them. My bow's nearly broke. Did he have a second boat?
you. Yes, here. It's
I say boat.
It's half broken, but you need some gear too? Oh, you're good.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Come on, panels.
I'll need some gear when I get there, probably. I'll help you out. Do you have a melee weapon? I can just defend you guys.
No, but I have a pistol you can have, and I have a. Oh yeah, I have a scythe. You want that?
No.
That's all I got, bud. That's all I brought.
Oh, Ryan, you've not been burning them both.
Yeah, because he keeps coming up here. I've just having to shoot and run.
Okay, it's nearly done.
Oh, he's right there again.
I'll keep it burning.
He's coming up to you. What's this running? He's running around in circles.
I'm wrecking this purple sailboat out here.
He just died.
I don't know.
Oh,
Wrecking it or getting wrecked by
Oh,
it?
there's a black guy. Black guy on fire. I'm gonna stand here so he can't get up. Oh, he's on fire.
Oh, dude, I didn't know you was on the fucking thing. I'm sorry.
It's okay, just grab my gear. I have flak on me. Put it on. And then use those fire arrows. But you need to make sure you keep setting that ladder on fire too, so he can't get up.
Which brig is that on my left, Dave? Who's it? This purple one.
Yeah, the plank's down. I'm gonna move to another ship.
Can you get both planks down or no?
No, the other one's not even damaged.
How close are we to shore there?
I'm a ways out. I'm fighting two ships right now. I could use someone on to board.
You want me to board them?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no, please no. This shark. Don't do it.
Here we go. Our mix of pirate music. That's what I need to hear.
I'm gonna share with the rest of us.
Pirate music? See if it's any good first.
Alright, where are these fuckers? Oh.
One behind me. And then this guy.
Okay. Shit, this is me.
Banner spike. Kill the guy on the purple boat.
You're not close enough to either of them for me to get on.
I'm gonna turn to this back boat.
Chris, how far away did you get from my body?
That was a really good fucking hit.
I'm about to be on top of it. I saw him move everything though. It's like, as soon as I
He's
picked up
missing-
your shit, he broke
he's
my
missing
leg
front
like
panel?
instantly.
Is it a front panel?
Yeah, I've still got this ship burning.
Kane, I'm coming.
Pretty much the body's right next to that
I got
ship
one.
that was on fire.
I'm hurting off that boat.
We'll get
Go ladder here in a second.
I've still got them on fire. Got two down.
Dude, that guy is. You're gonna sink that ship. It's on fire.
Are you repairing? Alright.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, you got
No,
fucking
she's
everything.
repairing. She's got it.
I'm here, Kane, I'm here.
You can grapple
Oh,
on
God.
to go revive.
No, I don't have anything.
You just need literally just put a plank down.
You're not close enough. You need to turn right.
I'm gonna drop you some gear. I'm gonna drop you gear.
He's coming up, he's coming up, he's coming up.
Dude, don't run into fire!
Yeah, I'm just barely not
It was
close enough.
laggy as fuck.
Sorry.
Someone coming behind you, dude.
Hey, watch the flame.
She needs help repairing.
Ryan,
Guys
stop
getting
repairing.
hammered.
Alright, I need to grab a thing.
He was climbing up the ladder and then he closed it on himself.
Oh! Get out of the way, get out of the way, Drew! Fuck!
The ladder's.
You punched me mid-air and knocked
What's
me.
going on, fellas? What's
Well, I was trying to go to him and you ran right into me with the fire.
I was jumping off the ship. shit.
You're missing planks. Where's your planks?
In the chest near the smithy. Chest near the smithy. They're down a sail.
Oh yeah, dude, look at all those hit markers. I spawned in the water, I'm sad, but I'm just trailing along.
Is there any buckets, anyone?
Oh, dude, you're fucking them up.
I'm patching holes, but some of them are gun ports, so I hope that's okay.
There's... Yeah, that's fine.
Should be extra gun port too.
Alright, I got a repair, but I don't have a repair hammer. You need to use the repair hammer.
I'm trying to turn.
You need to get these holes patched with the repair
I'm
hammer.
turning
I
to the
can't
other
repair
side.
them.
I got it.
Going down
Someone
to grab
can
more
board.
panels.
Someone can board.
I want me to board or repair. They're blocked. Can't put the panels down yet.
I'm keeping them on my left right now.
I'm just trying to throw as much water as I can out. We lost more panels.
Which side?
Left side.
Oh, I see.
Left side.
Jesus. I can't repair. I can't put it down yet. Still can't put these back two down.
Yeah, get us out of here, Eric.
Ghost.
They're missing
Both
3
these
panels
level.
on their ship.
Yeah, they're gonna be out.
Ghost, pick a door, damn it.
I'm trying, dude!
Yeah, dude, they can't repair that. That ship's going down.
Is anyone on that?
I'm all nine, but I don't got anything on me really.
Whereabouts?
I'm about to
Where's
die.
Sliders?
I
10
got
of
two
them
more.
chasing me
I
with
got 2
arrows.
more gun ports on me, and that's it.
How many do you got, babe?
Varric, get away from these guys. They're gonna go down. You can just leave them.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
fairly certain you're out of regular ports as well.
Riggs down. Riggs down.
I used a bunch.
Oh, what happened? What happened, guys? You guys got a little fucked up? A little fucked up?
Alright, gun ports are repaired. I just need somebody to come with a hammer and fix the
She's
holes.
gonna come behind you and do that.
Okay.
We're gonna move up towards this.
Sick PvP action, dipshit. You got fucked up. You got fucked up.
So,
It should have been an easy cleanup for them when they got here.
Now we gotta go destroy all the shit they have on the land. I guess with the
This.
flames on it. Oh, they leave half their doors open to their base. Darkblade Army.
Who's
Pur-
what?
purple
Does anyone
sails?
got us?
Purple.
Yeah,
sails
purple
behind
sails.
Drink your water, guys.
Damn it.
us. Darkblade. Darkblade.
That's a Darkblade?
Yep.
Alright.
That's the ship. There's 2 more with it. I'm gonna need help out here.
Fucking tiger, leave me alone.
You can post it in the alliance chat. There's some Ugandan ships that might be able to help.
I'm trying to pull away if you want to type that for me.
Oh, you're getting attacked by Darkblade ship.
Yeah.
What side of the island are you on?
I'm right there by the harbor.
Where you dropped us. Yeah,
Just
where you
say it
dropped
in
them.
voice. There's like 50 Uganda people right here.
Get away from me, you fucking tiger. Oh my god.
Darkblade Army ships coming in, guys.
That purple's gonna sail away. That's the one I almost sunk earlier. Are they coming out? It's lagging.
I'm not sure.
Following a guy with fire arrows. We need more fire arrows, you piece of shit.
That ladder's still down on my boat, by the way. I need help on my boat.
That you said.
Coming. Wrecked? What do you mean?
You didn't hit one of those land things, did you? Somebody save our ship.
Is the ladder down at the back?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Why are my cannons
Just
not
look down.
fired?
How's that dude still spawning over here?
Fuck, I'm lagging.
I see another brig. I've got some explosive barrels, let's go get the other boat.
Are you by Varric?
Yeah, yeah. Let's
It
go for the
shows
brig.
my
Go for the
ladder
brig.
down on my screen. And my cannons aren't firing on my left side.
Just
Jesus
spam,
Christ,
spam V. That's all you gotta do, spam V. Do it a lot, otherwise the fucking lag will,
Oh,
like the lag will eventually pick it up.
players on the back side, please.
Yep.
Yeah, this lag's gonna get me, so.
Oh, they're shooting that thing with cannons, Kane.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can
get
glide
these
over
ships.
there.
There's a little schooner right here we can see.
Yeah, yeah. There's lions on the shore. Look at them all on the shore just chilling. Watching the ships get down.
Just
I
try to
think
kill yourself.
they're fighting that lion over there.
Oh my god.
Who are you guys hitting right now? Uganda? Darkblade?
Eric needs help if you can spawn on his ship.
Yeah, my repair guy.
Who's that?
Me.
Oh,
I
Oh, shit.
glitched off though.
Hate that.
I wasn't even up on the top. I was still next to Barrett, so that's just
Is
irritating.
Uganda coming out like that?
They're still parked here. I don't know.
Alright, what's your ship called again?
Hooligan?
Hooligan? Hooligan's Retreat?
Oh shit, Kane, goddammit.
oh, this lag is so terrible trying to repair right now.
Wait, you had the planks on you, didn't you?
Okay, 15 seconds on that bomb.
Dude, just spawn on my boat, grab a grappling hook, grab some flame arrows, jump off, and try to grapple their boat.
Alright.
Someone stay on repairs.
You're missing a plank, by the way.
I know, there's down in the box near the smithy. You should get it. Fucking
You do like 15 minutes.
15 seconds.
Did you guys get on that schooner with it, or?
Ooh, damn, that did a fuckload of damage.
Yeah, that's going down.
Looking for the repair hammers, hang on.
On that schooner that's sailing after?
No. This is inland.
Oh yeah, that's like 4 planks gone. That's sinking. That.
Wow.
Uganda are scavenging all the ships.
Did you find that plank?
Yeah, but I'm lagging.
Just don't lag out of the boat with it.
Oh, the door's open. The door's open.
It's not going down. I'll keep trying.
Shit, there it is.
There you go. Nice.
You want me to go out and shoot flame arrows, you said?
Just stay with me until Rose gets on, if you're the only one. I was asking one of the
You
people
getting chased
standing
out?
on shore. Me? Yeah.
Only by a naked.
Oh, Jesus. If this ship lands one more shot, I'm gonna go down.
The fuck?
Don't forget the regular walls, too.
Nothing but repair hammers in these ships.
Oh. Is that purple guy chasing us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's...
Yeah, also grab a repair hammer and start repairing the ship best you can, guys.
They've got a lion. Watch out.
Just make one.
Fair enough.
You got a guy on board? Oh no, he's got me in his mouth. No.
Punch him. Flame arrow it.
I lost him, I got off him.
Whew.
He got me in his mouth in the water. Fucking lagged.
Wow. I'm hitting to repair and it's like coming up, like the bar's coming up like 3 seconds after.
Yeah.
I'm back. He's chasing you, Kane.
I know he is, dude. He's gonna catch me.
Just go deep underwater, bruh.
I am doing, dude. I'm as deep as I can be.
How is that keeping up with us, Varric?
We're heavy as fuck, dude.
Fucking lag. Nah, I'm under 80.
Yeah.
So.
That is
Okay.
still really heavy.
I can't even see you to shoot at him.
He's got a handling sail.
Chris, I'm coming below you.
You're under the water.
I've lost him. He's pulling back.
I'm off the
There's
ship
like
now for
50
some reason.
Ugandas here.
I was just standing still.
Oh shit, I just fucking teleported off the boat. Oh well.
Yeah, so did I. I can't even take out a weapon.
Yeah, it's just
Anything.
lag. It's alright.
Been trying to scavenge these ships for fucking fire arrows.
Darkblade Army. That's a Darkblade Army boat.
I know, I'm gonna shoot at it with flame arrows while I'm passing through. If I can take out my bow.
Yep.
But I can't take it out.
Should probably lure them into the cove or something.
I'm gonna try to do a wide turn, but if I turn bad, I'm gonna get caught because of this freaking lag.
Is that schooner still not sighting?
And my NPCs are shooting like trash right now.
I can't even take anything out.
Oh fuck on my side.
Constantly grapple hooking up this.
China
Side
number
of
one.
this
China number one.
Flame are on my side. Can you snipe him?
Hello?
I
Hey,
hit him.
hey, Maya.
Just the
Maya,
ping
you
of this
there? Game
I hit him.
Not bad. We still have some explosives on this ship, but it doesn't want to fucking sink.
there,
Can people come on my boat? Kill yourself.
I'm geared up taking down a ship right now.
How many people are? Not really here too. How many people are on there?
I'll try like 4 people on that.
I'll have to go down.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Not with that fire. And I can't shoot a freaking gun.
Unless you want to take my stuff, goes.
Yeah, just take everything off and drop all. I'll take all from the back and go.
Yeah, shoot him in the face.
Can I drop all?
Yeah, on the right side. Oh, wait, no, maybe not.
What about all the people that keep falling off? Are they not able to kill themselves and spawn on them?
I don't know.
I can't, I'm trying to kill myself. Varric, you're really heavy, just throw stuff overboard you don't need.
Throw your gold overboard.
I'm about to. Get up and kill him.
You can, guess you don't have a gun.
We're losing
that
that
lion?
panel. I'm about to die.
I'm gonna go jump in this fire arrow that you're shooting.
You.
God damn it.
Are you missing any panels or anything?
Repair the
These are
sails, please.
Get on it. Not the time for vitamin deficiency.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Lag.
It's fucking awful.
We on fire?
Spawn on your ship.
Fire me.
Can you open my cannon? Press R.
Whoa. You just get hit like mortars.
If you have stone in the ship, I'm throwing it away.
Ship's
Give me
going
like the
down.
left side of your ship. Yeah.
They're throwing oil too.
Where are the buckets? We can start bailing.
There should be buckets in the top boxes. I think also in like the middle boxes. We got like 7 buckets off of them.
Oh, you already dropped this weight or no?
Yeah, I dropped a
A lot
little.
of gold here.
This fucking lag is awful.
We have a lot of alloy.
Can we get new planks on that bottom side? Once you can?
I just took 1 plank out, so I don't feel like glitching off the ship. Aye. Hey, is that enemy players now? I think they're. Oh, never mind. God damn it! You don't even have a floor anymore.
I can't get up yet.
Oh my god.
I can't even steer. Throwing me off the wheel with vitamins.
Plank
You
won't
don't
go
have
down.
any NPCs in your sails anymore. Someone's got to rotate the sails to the left with me, otherwise it's gonna get caught easily.
What do we have to do? Turn the sails?
Turn the sails 52 degrees.
I got the middle one.
I'm trying to put the plank down, but there's a timer on it, I guess.
Yeah, there is. It's way too heavy. We gotta find
Prepare
something
the other one
way.
too, I guess.
Oh my god, let me on this stupid ship.
I'm throwing away some of your glider suits because we need to stay afloat.
Alright, you want me to throw away metal or gold? You get almost 700 metal.
Gold.
Close your gun ports too.
I'm trying to fight them.
We gotta stay up. We gotta go faster than them.
Ladders down, jump on the ladder quick. Get on the ladder, chicken legs.
Hell is a bucket. I guess we'll. I can't see the water yet.
Yeah, once you get the planks and the water starts to go down.
Yeah, but I can't see the water at all.
But if they're gonna destroy the planks as soon as we put them back, we need to. Just make sure these cells don't break. It's that purple one too that got away.
Yeah.
500 salt. I'll try to keep that for now, but if it gets too much, we're throwing it out.
God damn it.
Alright.
Holy shit!
What happened?
A Ugandan threw a grenade on the boat I was blowing up.
Tossing out his alloy. This should help a lot.
Fucking lag. Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna outrun these guys because of the lag. I'm opening my doors.
Doesn't even look like we're
2 minutes in the timer. We'll be very light soon.
Damn, this guy had 80 flame arrows on, but a full kit.
Very. As long as those sails stay up, we can outrun them. They have turning sails, which is too heavy.
Yeah,
I'm
fire
gonna
burns,
spawn
bitch.
in 15 seconds.
Oh, he killed
Try
me.
to keep everything repaired. We do not have any more planes.
I ran out of. I'm repairing my hammer right now.
Fish stock was coming in for a boarding party, I think.
How close are you to border? Oh, you're almost there.
I'm trying to pick up some of this plate armor off the ground, but it's impossible.
Okay, if someone has ship crafting, they need to try to find a few plates.
I got 20 seconds and I can spawn on you.
I'm trying to. I've been killing their cannoneers off that ship fish taco.
What's going on, guys?
Hooligan's retreat is having a little bit of a rough time.
Okay.
Shit.
Fuck, I can't get up.
Oh, why is it so smoky on there? Fuck.
If someone can steer,
Where
I
is
can
she?
go try to craft.
I can steer if I respawn in a second.
Where's Hooligan's retreat at?
South side.
N5.
South.
It looks like it's N5.
We're running out of
And-
beds, so just wait.
2 sectors below us, Niger 5, Nicholas.
Nicholas Flamel.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Eat my flame arrow, you bitches. Oh,
I
I
got
kill all
one.
those. That flame arrow
On
should
my
have
left.
killed all the people on their front
Okay,
cannons.
someone else jump on the wheel.
Alright, I can do it, but it's not really much we can do straight.
I'm lighting him up on the back cannon.
Move some resources to the...
I'm on it, I'm on it, I'm on it.
Or almost out of the way.
We're about to hit the server wall.
Damn.
Fell into the water now.
Oh,
Fucking
shit. I got spawned under the water here.
Are we about to lose gear? Or?
No,
I'm
they're
gonna
naked.
sell into. Should we sell
I just-
into the server wall?
I just need metal on there, just need metal.
Into the sailor wall, it's fine.
Oh, I think I just glitched. I just
Go, Bear,
glitched
go,
into
go,
the
go.
boat. I just glitched into the boat because of the lag.
Drop everything.
Nope, never mind.
Something about
Popping out.
it.
About to hit the server wall. Be ready for impact. Someday.
I'm getting metal over there.
Yeah, me too.
Stay calm, we got this.
He's turning to the right. He's turning to the right for some reason. He's turning away from you guys.
He's
Hopefully.
leaving.
This is where we can lose him because we won't be lagging as much.
Okay, it just put me
Oh
in the
my
water.
god. Of course, there's a fucking.
Grab buckets. Anybody not do anything, grab buckets and start bailing water.
There's
Quickly,
metal
quickly,
on
quickly.
here.
We just sailed right into a yellow ghost ship. So
Oh my god.
Only one plate? One more wood.
at least we got the wind. Well, we got shit wind, but
I'll see if I can grab more wood.
Adjust the sail so we can keep up with the wind.
I
Wait, grab
think
buckets.
He's dead.
Move out of the way. God damn it, Sylvia!
We should be good. We're away
Yeah, that
from the
was-
ship.
Everybody grab buckets.
Keep bailing.
Is there any more wood in there?
I found it. I've already put it on there.
You can also tear up the
sure.
walls and the ceiling tiles we don't need.
Yeah, dismantle all the doors, break whatever you need. Whatever isn't essential, tear it
We're
up.
going to the resource bin, so it's fine.
We need one more, so...
Start breaking
Yeah,
ceilings.
we need
break
wood, we
all
need
the
wood.
doors.
Check the resource bin, I'm putting some in.
Still need more, just keep demolishing.
Keep bailing water too. Keep bailing
Fuck,
water.
I'm trapped. I'm trapped.
This is essential. Tossing it.
I need 300 wood. Start demoing shit, boys.
Fucking
Girls.
ghost ships chasing after us. Go away.
Just don't make the whole thing fall.
Well,
Just want the cannons to fall.
I'm tearing apart shit.
yeah, let me check the resource box here.
I can rendezvous with you guys with the HPV if you want.
Still need more wood. More wood.
You guys are really close to M6.
Of course, I'm fucking drowning.
Let me know. I'm ripping apart the ceilings.
Alright, I'm still.
server wall is this that I'm looking at?
45 degrees.
That might be enough. Yeah, I think that's enough.
Whoa!
Well, I'm gonna break a bit more so we can hit repair.
Okay, I guess we'll...
Once the plank's on, we're fine. Our boat's at half health. It'll fix before we sink.
Alright, who's on the fucking stairs? There we go.
Everybody trying to get up the freaking stairs. This is a cluster over here.
Nice.
Is there any NPCs
Yeah, no,
still alive
I-
on cannons down there?
Yeah, all of them pretty much.
Let's put some on
Where's
sale.
Bucket?
I got the sales managed myself.
I got one on a sail.
Are we surviving this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are, dude.
Saved
You
by
can't
the
have this much
server
stuff on your
walls.
ship again, okay?
Oh,
Stuff on your ship next time.
it's
Yeah,
the
well, we
gold
picked
we
up that
looted.
2,000 gold. I knew that was a bad idea.
It's the gold we
You
looted.
had like 200 alloy.
That's probably from
Yeah.
cannons we just demolished. Yeah. There's a ship ahead.
Up here, another ship in front of us. What is that? Black cells to our left.
I'm looking.
I don't know, but we gotta turn the sails.
I can't see
What?
it.
That's the schooner.
Ghost.
Someone
Hey,
close
look,
to
yeah,
gun
it's a
ports.
schooner.
Close to gun ports.
Close gun port.
Just go.
Hit our Chris.
Should we ask him for wood?
Oh my god. Get off
Turn
the
the
get off
sails.
the ship, you're not doing anything.
I hit the gun thing. What are you
Turn the
talking
sails.
about?
You need to keep going.
I can't do anything. There was no crew on it, or no one
Yeah, there
said
are.
they put the NPCs on it. You gotta say something.
You need to put down your sails.
Ahoy.
Yeah, they're
Someone
going.
closed all the cells.
That's why we weren't looking.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Press C, press C,
We're not
press C.
Sorry, stupid NPCs, that's my bad.
Don't shoot back. Don't
Sorry.
shoot back.
We did not mean to.
Don't say that. They'd be like, these guys are low on resource. Go back and get them.
You see 20 people on deck
Alright.
running around naked with buckets. They know what's going on.
Alright, Bear, go ahead and grab the wheel.
Oh shit. Dude.
Fish tacos.
Well, Hooligan's gonna be docked for a couple days.
Undergoing extensive repairs.
Why are